I am Kia Vernon. I'm an associate professor at North Carolina Central University School of Law. For over 77 years, our law school has prided itself on offering students who are from underrepresented and misrepresented communities an opportunity to attend law school. After graduating and after they pass the bar, what we hope they do is to go and then serve those same communities of underserved people in their legal careers. I teach family law, contracts, advanced legal analysis, and I also teach a very special course called Spanish for Lawyers. What we do in that class is we teach valuable vocabulary, and in addition to teaching vocabulary, we teach a lot of ethical situations and professional responsibility that we can encourage and help students to see how different it is serving underserved communities, and especially students who aren't aware of the ethical implications and complications of people who speak a different language and people who come from different cultures. And so what we do is we help them to understand just how important it is to understand their clients and to serve their clients, and we teach them about the special skills that they need in order to better serve that community. So it doesn't matter what language people speak. If they do speak another language, though, we want them to receive the same quality representation. My teaching philosophy is really just my philosophy of life. I just strive to, as a teacher, to make every day better. Each day I want to go into the classroom and be better that day than I was the previous day. I want to encourage my students and motivate my students to learn and to learn more and to just enjoy the learning experience and to be better as students, as lawyers, as people every day. I love to teach, and I think that a lot of the teaching that I do occurs not in the classroom but outside of the classroom. I love to mentor my students. I love to talk to my students. I love to find out more about my students. I care about them not only just as students, but I care about them as individuals. And so learning more about them, learning about what their issues are, not just inside of the classroom, but outside of the classroom, and how I can better assist them. That's what motivates me. That's what keeps me going. That's what enables me to help them and to be better and to help to serve them better. I think my research helps to make me a better teacher. What I've done in terms of my research is I focused on an area that I want to know more about, that I can better help my students and better help the community. And so we talk about something in class, and the students pose a problem, or there's a concern that the students have, or even a concern that I have that I think about and I want to know more about. And so that research helps to inform me and helps me to learn more about those areas so that I can better assist my students and that I can better learn and understand some of the underlying issues and problems and concerns in the legal arena. One of the most profound experiences that I've had here is my participation in the Moral Monday movement. The Moral Monday movement was a protest that was sponsored by the NAACP, and citizens that were concerned about the recent legislation and the way that minorities and poor communities were being treated in North Carolina, just wanted to exercise their constitutionally protected right to protest. And through that process, they were arrested. And so one of the things that we were able to do by working with that, and one of the things that I did research on, was what their rights were and how we could prevent that from happening in the future. But one of the things that came out of that process is we had an opportunity to represent a lot of those Moral Monday protesters. And through that process, what I saw was hundreds of lawyers, from professors here at North Carolina Central University, from graduates at North Carolina Central University School of Law, who are now practicing in the community and who continue the tradition and came back to help these protesters. That's who we are, that's what we do. It's what NCCU School of Law is about. And to see that and to witness and to be a part of that makes me more proud to be here and to continue to teach those students so that they can go and continue to make that kind of impact on our community. I am a proud alumna of North Carolina Central University and North Carolina Central University School of Law, and this is my dream job. Teaching at North Carolina Central University it allows me to combine my three loves: my love for the law, my love for North Carolina Central University, and my love for teaching. It has enabled me to provide my students with the education that I was provided with, just to continue the legacy, the history, the rich tradition of our institution, and that here at NCCU, our students aren't just numbers. They're people, and we care individually about our students, and we care about their success. So it means a lot to be here, and I am blessed and fortunate to be able to work here and to teach students every single day.